It's really interesting when I think back to the person I was when I signed up to the course. I had quit my job, I was on holiday, and I was like, yeah, I totally need something to kickstart me. I remember walking away from day one just going, I don't even know if I want to turn up for day two, because I had to deal with so much. And watching the people around me have all these great breakthroughs, it was just really confronting. But I wanted to be that person. I wanted to have my breakthrough, and I wanted to be vulnerable and let that happen. It's a place for you to be very vulnerable if you want to be, and it's a really, really safe space to be able to do that. Also, every time we had a group conversation, the perspective that everyone brought was so different that the conversations that evolved from that were fascinating, because you got to see so many different views on it. And the way that Joel coaches is he kind of just steps back and lets that evolve, and everyone kind of gets to where we need to get to by just facilitating our own conversation, because I guess essentially goes back to what Joel says, is we all have the tools inside ourselves and we know the answers, but he really is just guiding us to get there. I think the board breaking exercise, again, it's such a simple thing. It's really shifting your mind to I can't to I can, and it's as simple as that. And it's about not overthinking it, being in the moment, and trusting that you have the ability to achieve the task at hand. So I think every facet of my life has been touched by Life by Design, and I'm so thankful for it.